Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Our today's topic is defamiliarization. It is a literary concept associated with the literary theory Russian formalism or Russian formalist criticism. So friends, this video is going to be very helpful for you. So watch the video till the end. So defamiliarization. Defamiliarization is the English translation of Russian term Ostranani. Ostranani. Ostranani means making strange or estrangement. So it comes from Russian word, Russian term Ostranani, defamiliarization. Defamiliarization is the English translation of Russian term Ostranani, Ostranani, means making strange or estrangement. Next, the term defamiliarization was first coined by Russian formalist Victor Shklovsky in his book Art as Device or Art as Technique. In alternate translation, it is called Art as Technique, published in 1917. So, Victor Shklovsky, the Russian formalist, first coined the term defamiliarization in 1917 in his book Art as Device or Art as Technique. Now we shall know what is defamiliarization. Defamiliarization is the method. Defamiliarization is the literary device. Defamiliarization is the technique. Defamiliarization is the process or method of making common things uncommon. Method of making familiar object unfamiliar, different, extraordinary, or even strange. Everyday habitual experience deadens sensation, but literature or art, by placing the same experience in another context and through unusual language, defamiliarizes this experience and recovers the intensity of the original sensation. So, let us try to make it clear. According to Victor Shklovsky, the proponent of this concept, defamiliarization. So, according to Victor Shklovsky, everyday experience makes things static and stale, S-T-A-L-E, stale. But art recovers, art or literature recovers the sensation of life through the process of defamiliarization. The purpose of a work of art is to change our perception from automatic and practical to the artistic. An object appears different when it is presented through special use of language. Using words about the object differently, the object is made fresh and new. The technique of an art is to make an object unfamiliar. The art is the way of experiencing the artfulness of the object. Here the object is not important. Literature creates a vision of the object. Literature makes us to perceive or feel or realize the object. Literature does not make us to know about the object. So this is the purpose of literature. This is literature recovers. This is literature. This is literature. That is why literature is different from everyday experience or everyday language. The language of literature is different from the language of everyday usage of language. The language of literature has its own power, asserts the language of literature has its own speciality. It asserts its power to affect our perception. We perceive an object through the use of special language. So, friends, this is all about our today's topic, defamiliarization. I hope you have understood it. So, if the video seems to you helpful, then please subscribe my channel. Your subscription will motivate me to upload more and more videos like this. Thank you.